Alright, so we have a sauce master. If you have not invested in one of these, please do. We'll leave a link below. Making salsa, just, I mean, it's amazing. So we have the hand crank, of course it comes with a motor, and we have different screens. I'm using the ones for tomatoes so the seeds don't come out. So now I'm just setting it up. Stainless steel table, guys, if you can find them. Craigslist, Marketplace. Restaurants go out of business, you can pick them up really cheap. This just lives out on my back porch, and I will wipe it down, clean it, sanitize it before I get ready to use it for food. So I'm gonna put together my sauce master. So it's not that hard, it's not that many pieces, but I put a little oil right here, just a little cooking oil, and I just spray it, just to put it on here. Okay, and I just put it in. So I can line everything up. There's a nylon hub in here, so that oil will help it ride within that nylon hub. Take this off right now.
Take that off so you can see.
Yeah, so I can see. There's on and off. And this you got to get a little bit of pressure too. You get the pressure of the spring.
Pressure of the spring.
Yeah. So, and I just want to make sure my screw is all the way out. And you can see this indentation right here. So it's better I put my body weight in behind it.
Turn it the other way.
There we go. So I put my body weight in behind it, pull it towards me. So this just sits inside a little groove, and it spins. Right now, nothing in there, so I'm not going to be spinning it. All right, so this little piece right here goes on the end. It just snaps on, and so your tomatoes will go in. Your sauce and everything will screen through here. Your seeds and all the waste will come out this end and go into a separate bowl. And this just latches on, just like that. And top part goes on, and we're ready to go. So I'll have a bowl that I'll slide underneath here to catch all the good stuff. All the waste and bad product will come out here. And we'll feed those to the chickens, since we have chickens, and whatever they don't eat, we'll go to compost.